Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of VGL Tech. Here we have in front of you is the Mangata Cases Dual Power Bank Station Orbit. So this is a power bank, and as you can see here, the case is pretty nice, pretty well done. It has the USB output, iPhone, smartphone compatible power surge protection, and what this is two power banks with one power bank station, and each of these power banks is 5,000 milliamps, and this is just more specs on inputs and outputs. So let's get started. Let's open this up, and as you can see here, we have a thank you note, which gives you warranty information and some other bonuses. And here we have the actual power banks and the power station itself. As you can see here is the Mangata cases. Get mangatacases.com website. And you can see here input output information. Really nice feel to it. Micro USB, even though it should be USB-C. And you also have the contacts to charge these wirelessly, and then you don't have to plug them in. Very nice feel. And the actual station itself feels nice. So let's take out these power banks. Here's the first one right here, and let's remove the second one. There you go. And there you have it. Overall, so as you can see here, information about capacity, 5,000 milliamps. I have to say, it's pretty small for a 5,000 milliamp battery or power bank. Well, nowadays they're making them really small, but this is actually pretty small, pretty light. Has a nice, good feel to it, pretty rugged. Looks like I could drop it probably a couple times. As you can see here, you can also charge it by micro USB, and it does output USB cable, whatever you have, micro USB, USB-C, or iPhone charger. Then you have the contacts for the wireless charging. When you stick it in here, it is magnetic. Same for this one. And there's actually no on and off button. So what you would do is you would just plug in your device. And it looks like it automatically turns on when you plug in your device. And then when you're not using your device anymore, it does some type of auto turn off. As you can see here, the light's on. A couple minutes, it will turn off. So with this power bank, you could pretty much charge anything. You can charge BlackBerry, you can charge smartwatches, fitness trackers, you can charge Bluetooth headsets, you can charge digital cameras, and like I said, here you can, as you can see here, it turned off automatically, times out after a couple seconds, probably 30 seconds to a minute. You can plug it here to charge it by using a 2 amp, 3 amp USB wall plug adapter, which isn't supplied. So you can just, I'm pretty sure you probably have a lot of them lying around like I do. So I have plenty of those lying around. But there you have it. The Mangata cases, dual power banks, easily portable, easily charged, And the great thing about this is that you would think you would be paying at least almost $100 for these. I actually only paid $29.99 with a discount code, which turned out to be $25. And I got this on Amazon. Once I'm done with the video, I'll put a description in my channel, the link where you can buy it, and also the discount code. So hopefully it still works. Overall, so far so good. I haven't had any problems yet. Well, this is barely my first time opening it, so I won't have any problems. But I will keep everyone updated how I feel about the power banks. Like I said, I've tested a lot of power banks, so this is more for portable, using more portable, more smaller footprint. You put it in your pockets and carry it around. And there you have it. Mangata cases, dual power bank station. Thanks everybody for watching, and please subscribe and please leave comments. Thanks again, and bye.